Yo guys, mayong adlaw ay I am Rob Saturnino, kag-ari ka sa Bong sa Lapas, Iloilo City. And kaya may bago ako sa Bong unit yung ginagamit since gusto taman mag-drive sang sports bike pero wala pa sang nagbakal. Ay low budget. So ay try ta sang sports bike nga budget meal, which is Motor Explorer 250 version 2. Dito siya guys. Ayan. Explorer 250 version 2 ng Motorstar. Budget meal bike, but it's a head turner too. Noka, inspired by a Ducati Panigale, but it's a black color. Masyado kasi marami nang gumagamit ng pula. Ito may balang araw lalagyan ko ng accent na rin dito pag nagpalit ako ng decals. For now, yan na muna. Stuck na muna tayo. This will be my partner sa mga rides ko sa darating na mga it's a China bike, but hindi naman kasi porque China bike madali na masira. Nakadepende pa rin yan sa pag-maintenance ng motor at how you use it in daily rides. May first bike ako na Motorstar din, the MSX Sports. Yung kamukha niya is yung Reader na 125 yata noon, and it's almost 15 years in service din sa akin. Kung hindi lang nasira yung transmission doon, hindi ko pa napalit. Pero sulit din. Budget meal, but good looking. Yeah. So that's it for today guys. See you on my next videos, and please support. Medyo nahiya pa kasi bago pa lang tayo nagkakaroon. That's it guys. Just follow me and in my YouTube and TikTok. It's Rob Saturnino signing out.